We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Docu. We are in a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. Also adding second level lows and third level lows. So let's zoom in the price and see what's going on. So price action monthly time frame, last candle to right hand side is a bullish green doji. Price second, third candles in the market is consolidating side by side with one another. So you're looking for a breakout. Current price is sitting at 49.16. So if price work its way up, we can see price would tag second level lows at the numbers of 66.54. Before tagging that number, it also can tag the midpoint of 56.79. If price action decides to draw back in reverse for a retest or for reversal, price action can head to the support line of 36.38 in black, or it can head to the midpoint of that area, which would be near the areas. Gotta zoom into that. Which would be near the areas of 43.48. So if that market pushes up, it's identifying that that market has spiked up from this previous pattern and came back down. So we are identifying the first, second, third, fourth. Market pushed up, came back down to retest the previous side, which is the double bottom. And we're going to see if that market's going to push up. And if it does, market will be coming from a first, second, third, fourth retest. And market pushes back up overall. Double bottom in a retest or a triple bottom. If price pushes down further and break through that support or pushes down to that support, we'll just be looking for a, between the SR lines of red and black, we do have a midpoint in that area. So what that reading is that market did break. Came back to retest, we can receive a bearish red engulfing pattern to engulf the price second, third, last candles in the market to push that market down for that break and retest. So we have a break, retest, another push. Walking down to the weekly time frame. So price action on the weekly time frame, last candle to right hand side is reading as a bullish green doji, still indecisive, consolidating at a near midpoint area between a resistance and a support. So if that market pushes up, it's multiple touches to that bottom. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up. So market's coming from a double bottom and a retest or triple bottom overall. And if market pushes down, it'll be identified as a break, a full retest red and green, and we'll see that market push down as it did, came back to retest that midpoint, it'll push down again, which will be identifying a pattern as that first, second, third. Market push down for that fourth will receive a double top in that area. Or that market can continue to consolidate within the previous price, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and 11th candle in the market. Working our way to the daily time frame. So market's getting choppy as we just enter the daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame is a bullish green candle. Lost a lot of momentum. Could be a reversal. So it's tagging something in that high, which would be just the previous side. So that market could be coming down. If so, still identifying this break down this chart. So it'll still be identifying if it pushes down for that break and retest. So we have break, retest, break, retest, break, retest, and we'll have that push down if it doesn't push out that area. If it breaks through that area of support. So that'll be a total of first, second, third, fourth retest. Market's coming down from a double top and a retest or a triple top. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So now being on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price action between a resistance and a support right in that middle. So it's on a SR line. So we're going to add that SR line in black. Also, while doing that, so we know that we are in the midpoint. Let me bring that up a little higher. So we can see that we are in near a midpoint. So now we're going to put a zone around that area of that SR line we just created, and we're going to see what's going on. So we're going to go a little bit above and a little bit below. And we're going to stretch it out. So let's take a look at what happened. So that market did break through that SR line, that zone, came back to retest. So if that market is respected for that uptrend, you'll see that it's like a left shoulder, a head, and a double right shoulder, and market pushes up. So if we first, second, overall, third, market's coming from a head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, double right shoulder, market comes back up. If it breaks through the zone in the SR line, we look for a break and retest, followed up with a bullish green candle. Headed down to a 3-hour time frame. So price action 3-hour time frame reading as a bearish red candle. So it's retesting. We think about it as high, second level highs. We have that midpoint, which is that SR line there, second level lows, and we have that bottom of that line, which would be support. So what happened? Market broke up into it from that first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest. We're going to see if it's going to push up further, at least head up to that area. Headed down to a 2-hour time frame. Price action bearish red candle, still retesting that second level lows for that break retest. We want to see if it's going to push up, or it's going to continue to push down further or consolidate. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame. Price action bearish red candle, same thing. Price identifying the push, came back to retest. 45-minute bearish red candle. So something's formed in that area. So identifying a pattern. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushing down. So it's a triple top overall, a double top and a retest, or a head and shoulders pattern. That market is drawn out in that area for that multiple pushes, and it came back for that, still identifying the full break, came back to retest. Is it pushing up? Is it consolidating? Or is it working, pushing the way down? Headed to a 30, same thing. So now we see it much clearer. First, second, third, fourth, retest, market push. 3 pushes to that top. Same as well. So now we starting to see that first, second, third, fourth, retest, market push. So once that market broke that second last candle, came back to retest that SR line and price pushed down. So if we think about headed down to the 5-minute time frame, we can see that, zoom out, we can see that price action bearish red candle. So if we take that black SR line and we put a zone around that area, just go a little bit above, a little bit below. What price is currently doing is just doing a full break and coming back to retest near that SR line zone. And we're going to see if it's going to push up. If not, it'll enter that zone as we walk down the time frame. So far, it's just spiking. It tagged it and lost momentum. So it could be a reversal. That's why we see that 3-minute time frame is a bullish green candle. That's identifying the break of into that zone, came back to retest the top of that zone. So we're going to see if it's going to push down further, or it's going to engulf. If it engulfs the price action, if price action engulfs the second to last candle, it'll push that market back up. Headed down to the 1-minute time frame. So something's forming. So it's breaking out the zone at that low red, first, second, third, fourth. Market's trying to create that double bottom. If it breaks with a W, we look for a doji. We'll see if that market's going to start working its way up. So it will be high, mid, currently at the low. That's why we're looking for the break retest the market to head up to the next area, which will be now near the price of 49.59. Very important information. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, DOCU, star.